Hey superstars, this is Wesley, $1 billion virgin here. And what I'm going to show you in this video is how to earn $9,653 online using this Google trick. Let me show you other people, okay, just like you, who are using this right now because I got it from them. This wasn't even my trick, this was theirs. From one of my affiliates, I asked them, I said, hey, can I just show the people on my channel, on Instagram, that people are actually making money? And when I show you, all I'm asking you to do is this. Sub and hit the like button. First, I'm gonna show you proof, and this is gonna be a short video. Let me log in to my account. I'm gonna show you people that are using this technique right now. The guy that's making the $9,000, okay? If I scroll down here, you see where it says top affiliates. You see that? Top affiliates. An affiliate is a person that recommends products online, and me as a vendor, we pay you. So all of you are affiliates, which means is what I'm going to teach you in this video is going to take about 5 minutes because I'm hangry and I need to eat. And you can do this starting today, but you have to follow along and watch the video to the very end. As you can see here, boom. This guy right here, he's an affiliate. He made $9,653.93 using the technique that I'm about to show you. As you can see, people are making money. Now, if you're not making money, it's because you're not patient, one, or you're too anxious to be rich. Relax, okay? Take a deep breath, and let me show you the trick. Step number one, go to google.com. Okay. Step number one is go to Google. I want everybody right now on your laptop, just go to google.com. And all I want you to do is type in Google. Are you guys with me here? Google Trends, okay? Type in Google Trends. Are you there? I'm going to go very slow for all my older ladies, my older men, and my young men and young ladies, and people just have no clue on how this internet stuff works. You know, I'm gonna show you how to make, look, this is not about making millions in this video. Yes, I make millions, but this is to get you from your job, okay? $10,000 a month, I think a lot of people would say in the comment below, yes, Wes, if I could make $10,000 a month, man, my life will be better, okay? Period. All right, so look, you're gonna click on Google Trends, okay? Are you there? You should be at this page. I know I'm moving slow, and listen, I know some of you want me to speed up, but listen, you have to learn to be teachable and coachable. It's not about moving fast. A lot of you move so fast and trying to use these techniques so quickly, and then you wind up broke with no money and it's not working. Slow down. I want you to watch this video, and I want you to take your time like you making love to your wife, your side piece, your husband, your lover, your girlfriend. Take your time. Right now, this is called foreplay. We're gonna take our time. Is that cool? Smash the like button if you're down for some foreplay. I'm gonna go slow, okay? All right, great. So what we wanna do is we wanna find trends that are happening right now, okay? Now, leave that screen open for a second. Then I want you to go to a site by the name of digitalstore.com. Type in digitalstore.com, okay? Are you guys with me? Digitalstore.com. Now, listen, these are the people that's going to pay you the money. These are the people that's going to pay you the $9,000 once you start earning money using this trick. Does that make sense? Okay, great. Now, all I want you to do is register for a free account right now. Register now. Make sure you get an account, okay? This is very important. Listen, if your country is not listed, find somebody that you know in another country that's listed and use their account. Be smart, okay? It's always a way. So people in Africa and India that's emailing me and say, oh, no, well, my country's not there. Nigeria's not there. What do I do now? Think. Hello? Find somebody that's in a country that's your friend, your brother, your relative, and ask them to create one for you. Duh. All right, so next, go to Marketplace, okay? And then I want you to scroll all the way down and look at the top number 5 product here, okay? That's going to be the Genie Script Works. Now listen, you may say, well, Wesley, that's your product. You're being partial. Well, absolutely. Not just that. It's because people are making money. I just showed you a guy that's pretty brand new that's making $9,000, and this product has only been on this platform for about 13 weeks, okay? About 2 months, right? It just got there, actually. And we have new people just like you who watch the video and watch and pay attention to the instructions, and they make money, okay? So you want to go to Genie Script Works. This is what you're going to use to start making money. You click Promote Now, okay? Now you have to make sure you have an account. So I'm going to log in here. I'm going to log into one of my accounts, one of my brand new accounts here, okay? I'm going to go back to Marketplace. I'm gonna scroll down. So what I'm going to promote is Genie Script Works. Now listen, you don't have to buy the Genie Script Works. It's a meditation program where I teach people in depth how to manifest their goals and dreams. And yes, it works, and yes, it's true. But like I said before, you don't have to buy it. All I want you to do is use this to make you money. Does that make sense? Now, if you need help as it relates to meditation, then buy the product. It's up to you. I don't care. Okay, look, we have a few thousand people that's buying this continually on a consistent basis right now, okay? So look here. You see this? This is going to be your link. You're going to copy that, okay? Paste that somewhere where you can get it later, okay? This is your affiliate link that promotes this. You'll be paid 80% every time someone buys, and I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is right now to make money online, okay? Now, we're going to go back to Google Trends. Are you guys with me? Smash the like button if you're still with me. Tag 3 people if you think that I'm talking too fast. All right. Somebody said go faster. All right. Tag 3 people, I'll go faster. All right. So we're on Google Trends here, right? Boom. All right. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to speed up because you guys asked me. You got Serena Williams. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is February the 14th while I'm doing this video. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you got some flowers. I hope you got some good sex today. It's up to you. Justin Lee, Schneider, Valentine. So what we want to do is we want to use Serena Williams. Why? Because he's getting over 200,000 searches right now on Google. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to exploit that. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to youtube.com. I'm going to make sure I sub to Wesley Virgin. I'm going to make sure I like his video. Then what I'm going to do is type in Serena Williams. Watch this. So easy to do, right? Serena Williams. Boom. You see that video right there? Right now, this video is going viral, right? 16 hours ago, it already got 146,000 views. I'm going to click on it, right? I'm going to watch it for a second. Look. Okay, great. It's just her hitting the freaking ball, right? Back and forth. You got beautiful, sexy Serena about to crush this cool little Caucasian girl right here, right? So what you're going to do is this. Now, this is important. You're going to take this video. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, I can't take that video. I can't just download it. And no, listen. You're going to take your phone. How many of you got an iPhone? Smash the like button if you have an iPhone or a Galaxy. Or comment below. Say, Wesley, I have an iPhone or a Galaxy. It's very important to do this. The guy that made $9,000, this is what he's doing, okay? You're going to record that video, okay? You can record that video and you can commentate. Let me give you an example. So right now, I have my iPhone. Say if I'm using my iPhone, I'm going to record it. I'm going to record this video, right? And I'm going to say like, whoa, look at Serena go. Whoa, look at the white girl go. Whoa, whoa, this is amazing. This is great. Listen, you can talk if you want to, or you can just say nothing. But the goal is this, is to record the video from your iPhone. Because once you record it and you're going to repost this, it is legal to do that. And let me tell you why. Because you're not taking their content. Because what you're going to do is you're going to take this video and you can say a couple of words on the video that's going to make it different. And then you're going to upload it to the channel. But listen, you have to do something else, okay? You need a program by the name of vidIQ, okay? Let me show you. Are you guys with me? You got to go to, you see this vidIQ? It's free to get, download it. You don't have to pay for anything, okay? Once you integrate it to your YouTube channel, and I have a video if you want to watch, it shows you how to do it. It's super simple to do that. And then what you want to do is go back to youtube.com and go back to that Serena video. Because what you want to do is, see, the reason why that video is going viral right now is because because of the US Open, it's very popular right now, okay? You see it right here? So you click on it, and all you need to do is this. Once you record that video from your iPhone, from your Galaxy phone, right? You can commentate, you can say a few words about it and say, look at this, oh my God, look at Serena go, I love you so much, whatever, right? Doesn't really matter. Then what you do is you go to vidIQ. Once you integrate it to your browser, which is super simple, you can watch a video on my channel to show you how to do that. You want to copy all these tags. You see these tags here? Copy all the tags. And then what you want to do is, you see where it says the name. You want to copy this title right here. Australia US Open 2021. Arena, blah, 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 whatever her name is. Serena Williams match highlights. And you can put unfiltered. Put the word unfiltered, right? Or what they didn't show. You can use unfiltered, right? Because what you want to do is provoke people to watch it. And then once you copy that, and you're going to use that as your title. Are you with me, guys? Hello, are you with me? Am I moving too fast? Okay. You're going to upload the same video that you just uploaded from your iPhone. And guess what? You can do this tonight or today. Try it. Then in your bio here, now this is where it gets cool. Okay. In the description, look, she has like no description. In your description, you're going to say, allegedly, Ariana and Serena uses this meditation to perfect their swing. And then you put your link. Smash the like button if you love me right now. Come on. You're going to put your affiliate link that you got from right over here. Remember that affiliate link right here? You're going to take that link and you're going to put it right here. You put Ariana and Serena allegedly uses this meditation to perfect their swing. Put your link in the description of the video that you upload. If you're super smart, you want to go to bit.ly.com and you want to shorten that URL. Does that make sense? Okay? Hello? Now, I know some of you may say, that's a lot. I used the word alleged, stupid. Alleged. It doesn't mean that it's real, right? Allegedly, does that make sense? Okay. So I told you it's dark, all right? I told you it was a little dark. We're not saying that they did. We said allegedly. And anyway, I'm pretty sure they meditate. Absolutely. All top athletes do. So then they're going to click on your link. And the great thing about when you do that, YouTube, because of the algorithm, once you catch it, traffic and your video will pop up along with hers. Okay? Your video will pop up along with the Australia Open. And you can keep doing this over and over again, folks. With Valentine's Day, Justin Lee Schneider cut, Valentine. I have a guy, he does this every day. So what he does, he wake up in the morning, he find out what's trending. He does exactly what I just showed you. And he gets sales every day. Let me show you, hold up. Let me show you the sales again. Let me log in. Look at this. If you guys got value, go ahead and smash the like button, sub to the channel right now, and say, Wesley, I'm going to do this today. Look, this guy right there, this guy, millionaire, whatever his affiliate ID is, right? This guy, $9,000+. Just try it. Listen, some of you are skeptical. Some of you say, I love you, Wes, this works. Some of you want to smash the like button. Some of you just keep this negative mindset there. You're like, oh, it's not going to work. It's not. Listen, let me share something with you. I'm going to let you go. Okay? If you keep thinking that people are not making money online by using these techniques and these strategies and these tips, you will forever be the person that you are right now. You'll forever drive that car. You'll always be in school. You'll always have that 9-to-5 job. And you'll always stay in that house that you don't want to stay in. And you'll never achieve your dreams, not because you can't do it. It's because you don't believe that it's possible. Some of you think that people just keep scamming. Listen, if everybody is scammers on the goddamn planet, well, we should be in jail. And let me tell you something. I'm not in jail, baby. I'm in Houston, Texas. So if you want to come get me right now. I've been doing this for 10 years. Obviously, it is real. People are making money, and you can make money too, but you have to do it. I want everybody, before I end this video, to comment below, I can do this. Smash the like button if you got value. The more that you comment below, let me know where you're calling from. I will create more videos like this for you, okay? Because listen, it only takes one. And as a matter of fact, if anybody want me to teach them personally on how to create $1 million product, I've did over 5 products in the past 6 years. I made over $40 million, and life is good. I'm grateful, but I'm here to help you. I will leave a link in my description if you want online help. It's available, but let's go. Hey, I love you guys so much. This is Wesley. Billion dollar version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.